points you need to consider when you design a double-story when it comes to the staircase. Here we are at a double-story building, and this is the staircase. Let's have a look at the structural elements installed to box the staircase here. Starting from here. That's the end part, right? That's one end, that's the other part. So we've got a structural beam running this way, and this structural beam is picking up the other beam, right? So that's another beam. And this beam is picking up the floor joists connected to it, right? So one beam connected to the other beam, and this beam is landing on multiple studs. But now have a look here. The multiple studs are not exactly right below the beam. So you see how it's off? That needs to be fixed, right? Unless the top plate is designed for that load to transfer the load to the triple stud here. Okay, on the other end, we've got a beam, right? And it's sitting there. Another beam. This is also acting as a wind beam. Why? Because when the wind hits the face of the wall, it pushes that beam inwards, right? So we have to make sure that this beam can take the wind acting on the face of the wall. Okay, so that's another beam. Then we go all the way. That's the other side of the staircase box. And we have to have another beam running and then landing here, right? So that's another one. And the same beam that's picking up the floor joists is also connected to the beam here. So when it comes to double-story projects, the staircase is something that you need to keep an eye on to make sure you box off the staircase. Also consider the wind acting on the face of the wall and design this as a wind beam as well.